Hey, what's up? It's Gareth. I'm coming at you from a really small little town called Chacagua in Mexico. It's just outside Puerto Escondido, and you need to catch two buses and a colectivo, which is like a shared taxi, and then an hour and a half on another boat to get to this really remote little village, which is truly magical. And we've been here for about 4 days now. We came with some friends, and they left yesterday. I wasn't ready to leave, and so I'm hanging out in this really rad little town. There's hardly anybody around. I'll show you the place that I'm staying at. Just with this family. They live down there, and it's right out onto the lagoon. That's the kind of boat that brings you the hour and a half ride along the estuaries in the lagoon to get you to the town of Chacagua. And there's an amazing surf wave as well, which is really long and really slow and quite easy. So for people that are not yet very capable of surfing like me, it's a really good wave to learn to surf. And so I've been surfing every single day, and it's been amazing. And I wanted to quickly talk today about a concept called lifestyle design, and it's something that I guess has been part of my world for the last couple of years. The things that I read, the podcasts that I listen to, and the work that I'm doing really is all hinged around lifestyle design. But it was really only now, as I work with my partner Matt, and we've released a program and a new community called the Immaculate Factory, that I've realized that the word that I've been looking for and the definition that I've been looking for the work that I'm doing is broadly encompassed all in this idea of lifestyle design. And it really comes down to this idea that most people have a pretty solid plan of exactly what a new house, for example, may look like, or wouldn't go on holiday without creating a very specific plan with structures and measurables and, some sort of an idea of where that holiday was going to unfold. But the same people seldom have a plan to that level of detail for their lives. And what I realized that I've been working on, in addition to the idea of studying and understanding law of attraction and setting up routines and habits and developing positive mindset, and once all of those things started to come together, I really saw them as a concept and an idea that I have called scaffolding. And this is this idea of you have these routines and these practices in your life that are scaffolding that support you in much the same way that scaffolding supports a building. So it could be programs and processes like meditation, exercise, visualizations, affirmations, yoga, any of those sorts of practices that act as a scaffolding to keep you balanced in your life. And the idea really just came out recently that we are essentially working with all of these different components, and once you put them all together, you have the ability to be able to develop a long-term strategy for how you want your life to look in all areas of your life. How you want to live, how you want to feel, who you want to date, how much money you want to make, what you want to do for a living, how you want to give back to the world. And once you've spent the time strategizing, planning, and knowing what those things are in your life, you then work on really small routines and habits that you implement on a daily basis in your life to help keep you aligned with the very things that you want. And it's really not more difficult than that. Have a plan, execute it, and know that you're going about it in the right way, and that you're executing your plan on a daily basis. And it's just then a matter of time that your life, in all areas of your life, is going to look exactly how you planned it, because that's just how it works. So I'm really, really excited about the work that we've done around the Immaculate Factory. It's a small community for now, and we have plans to release a program on the 30th of January with 100 people that want to install the law of attraction in their life, and find a really easy way to get into lifestyle design, to be able to understand exactly how you want your life to look, and then a really simple way to be able to set up your day every single day so that you're working towards every single thing that you want in your life. And that could be, as I said, relationships, money, jobs, a life purpose, whatever it is that you're looking for is all available as long as you spend the time doing the work that you need to in order to be the best version of yourself, so that those things come to you naturally. So I'd really like you to check out our work at immaculatefactory.com, and you can subscribe to our Facebook group there. We're a community of lifestyle designers that are sharing ideas and practices that help you set up a life that you can live by design and not by default. So I wanted to show you around my room quickly. This is the place that I'm staying at. It's about $15 a night. It's pretty dark at the moment, but yeah, it's so sweet. It's yeah, I'm so happy here. I know there's so much work coming. This is my view that I wake up to every morning. That's the lagoon that you come in on. It's just so magical, and there's hardly any tourists here. It's just some local families that live here, and yeah, it's really, really magical. So thanks once again for watching this. I hope that you're having a good day wherever you are. I'll see you soon. Ciao.